Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? Today is Saturday night here in UAE. It's a weekend again. How is your holiday? I hope everyone is okay. Always strong and healthy, no sickness, out of danger. Anyway, have a great weekend everyone and enjoy your weekend. I like this heart flying heart. The background of the videos heart. See, it's nice. I like that. Anyway guys, my day off at work tomorrow, but I'm still busy in church because I'm one of the volunteer in our church anyway. In the afternoon, in the morning, maybe I'll stay at home because very hot outside. I cannot able to go walking beside the beach. Very hot already the temperature. In the afternoon, maybe I have fellowship meeting or assembly meeting in church. After that, going to church. After meeting, church service, attending church service. Anyway guys, I miss you all and I love you all. Happy weekend everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Life is short. We need to enjoy every minute of it. While still can, we still strong, we can do anything. We can jump, we can run, we can walk, we can climb up in the stairs. Because when we are getting old and we cannot even, it's hard to move in, hard to walk and hard to climb up. We cannot do anything or everything. At least we enjoy. We cannot regret when the time cannot do everything. We have a happy moment we can remember. Anyway guys, because it's already night time here, I'm just resting for a while. Little bit later I'm gonna go sleep na also, because how many Saturday every time I wake up in the morning I have headache. My migraine is attacking always because of the hot temperature outside. Anyway, that's all guys. Bye bye and good night and sweet dreams everyone. See you again tomorrow. You have to wait for my post tomorrow, a picture or a video. Enjoy everyone. Bye. I miss you all. I love you all. Bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye.